Meme Professor Achonacho. Anebe live kodomena yimike luna. Meje katota kwa in Nigeria. In Nigeria dese koko. Akoke yomi. Me movie yomi siagwario. Nigeria is a veritable tragedy. A perfect state of what it should not be and what it is capable of not being. This is a country at once wealthy and poor, a land prosperous and famished, a population free and in chains, a people so religious and yet so corrupt, a system steeped in statutes, laws, conventions, and rules, yet so disorderly. Me movie your misagwario. Manager.
Awesome, man.
Back in number 1.
Midwestern region.
Midwestern region. National injustice. National maladies. Obole solo in Nigeria wa saro wana. E4 kilo luto sansa le gwogapo. Glory to Jesus.
Hallelujah.
Akanyambaro Midwestern region was one of the regions in Nigeria. Erobri region Ikekoku state Ibuebu. Ada radio de li Midwest Iwopi Bende. Unwebo Ganore. Ereke Oglo. Ibende na oyi Bini province and Delta province. Every state in Edo state and Delta state. Edo state capital Benin City. Delta state capital Asaba. The capital and Ivana, they are located in the same Edo province. This is national injustice. Glory to Jesus.
Hallelujah.
Secretary Okeko.
Deregulation policy.
Deregulation policy in Nigeria has become the only economic panacea to right the ills of our economic miasma. Everything, deregulation. No. Ikwevoshi petrol 120. Others are selling 140, 110, 115 on Nakapo. Because the sector has been deregulated. We agree. In Nigeria, we accept the principle and the policy of deregulation. Deregulate the government through sovereign conference. And I say, glory to Jesus.
Hallelujah.
And anadio shenyelo koba. Because in Nigeria, na one mena, if you bury a dafena, glory to Jesus.
Hallelujah.
Because Kelo is not about Keko.
PHCA estimated billing.
Yes. Akpore de vule. Ada wuru pe koko na kabi mitake. Obolon gwole ko yese. Kese yoke kwosana. Akpore gwogole. We vulu wemi. Ikwo nepa. Ikwo PHCA. I kid the office la yobo. Jaive wokoli owu bi powerful. This is daylight robbery. On an enemy government, making life unbearable for the poor masses. The social cleavages between the privileged few and the underprivileged many continue to widen. Glory to Jesus.
Hallelujah.
Secretary, over to you.
BPE and privatization.
Oh, BPE, Bureau of Public Enterprises, and the privatization of public enterprises. Our Taka Gogo, Ibo in Africa, Kaigal Africa, Oyani, partitioning of Africa. Ibo Pono, Awani of Koiswo Mawani. Government all the companies owned by government, which we call public companies, Kanagba Shai, Equally Swear Kaye Shai, Ilisware China, Ayovo die. They are buying and sharing Nigeria among themselves by the political class. In an immemorial national malady, this is injustice, and injustice not addressed today, which snowball into anarchy, with the concomitant physicalism that will be better imagined than described. Glory to Jesus.
Hallelujah.
Corruption.
Oh, wonderful. A hydra-headed concept called corruption. It has become mountainous, insurmountable, higher than Kilimanjaro size assignment. Come and make it 1 hour. Equally vote to Kanibesu. I did to board equally vote to Kai. Oborayan Vuru Melamo Yeko on your Vailolo. In Nigeria now, Ede Mikoli Denani Nanaki, Ipijiri Dena. Ede Shajira Pagwari, the Shajira Yeno. Obole Bedona Wabese, a book equatote, Abenia, Jipona Yabovi was really on an attack ball. Corruption has eaten deep into the fabrics of our nation. Right now, corruption kills more than HIV/AIDS. Ajaki Esi, Yakpailo of the corruption. The people of Nigeria were forced to witness a political macabre that monumentally raped the nation's treasury through colossal thievery. Glory to Jesus.
Hallelujah.
Hallelujah. Because Bemudia Cavario, Meta Devo, Minuodo Nama in Wingmemu. If there are still pharaohs in this country, continue to abbreviate their existence. Secretary, Kavina Bioteko.
The poor, Koyorete.
Yeah. The poor. If you bear a Kaya Joshua, Omade we Titana Anakano. Omada wa Toloda Anakano. Omade we Toko Anakano. Imoto Koye Mopagware. Yemi Welavomara. Iko ire kipi jiri dewo babu jana. Kidye yeru aina. Die yeru aina. Onato. Tete mera ike sodari ko bo. Ujina na wetona. You are going to pay dearly for it. Ongeneta kwosa konwana. Warre yobo. Okorakpo. Onyo vome di minister. O minister na go no more by the local government chairman. Oma your faje the councillor. Only overall, Omera the secretary to the local government. Enakidie. Ibroda Sami. Odugbe dajore. Ongeneke muwana. Glory to Jesus.
Hallelujah.
Abuse of siren.
Hey, Nigeria is so disorderly. This is a country where even the madman will control traffic and the people that are sane will obey. Everywhere says woko. Woko na one oje nyame. Wanya iwori one oje nyame. Wokpa bujao Eko Port Harcourt Enugu eje nyame. Out of it to live ki police really never gikoni gerena. Evolaye. They are garage taps. Equally in your nebe, buebura, equal, renwia iji, they are thieves, licensed thieves. Inspector General of Police made it clear that siren can only be used by the president, the vice president, the governors, and the deputy governors. Kipo ireme perena, ipoisi ifete mraimone. Beno malokada na voya idaga. Glory to Jesus.
Hallelujah.
Attempt to break NLC.
Nigeria Labour Congress remain the only body that stands for the voice of the masses. Because of the consistency of Nigeria Labour Congress, successive government in Nigeria have always attempted to break it into pieces, fragment it into infinitesimal nothing, so that it cannot play its role to the people. What an injustice, national malady. This we cannot take. Glory to Jesus.
Hallelujah.
The Ogoni question.
Oh, Ogoni, the land flowing with milk and honey, highly blessed with oil. The oil we called the black gold. Today, Ogoni is devastated. The people are hopeless. They have been driven to the edge. They have nowhere to go. Government, we are saying they went into litigation. A certain amount in billions of dollars was approved for them. What is happening? We cannot enslave our own people. When you speak, they say you must be loyal. Loyalty in Nigeria as a concept is another form of slavery. The president was right when he said, no loyalty but patriotism. Glory to Jesus.
Hallelujah.
Busting Urhobo to political dustbin.
Urhobo is the 5th largest ethnic nationality in Nigeria. They have also paid their dues in keeping Nigeria together. Today, they are being treated as a political outcast. They have been rigged out here and there by the federal system called Federal Republic of Nigeria. Where are we? Urhobo today have no governor. Urhobo have no minister, no permanent secretary, no chairman of federal board. Where are we? Gross injustice. This is not to be tolerated any further. Those who are bent on marginalizing Urhobo nation will pay dearly for it, because God will answer their prayer. Glory to Jesus.
Hallelujah.
Quota system.
Quota system is a method of atoning mediocrity, sacrificing meritocracy at the altars of mediocrity and mendacity. Let the best go. You must be the best of what you are. When somebody emerges as a professor, the ingredients of a professor should be discernible in him. Here today in Nigeria, they say if you make one professor in the south, another professor must emerge in the north. Whether he's even a master degree holder, is a professor. What a direct antithesis of reality. This is academic somersault. Glory to Jesus.
Hallelujah.
Failure of the judiciary.
This is spectacular. At times the judiciary is the last hope of the common man. Today, the judiciary is the very last stage where the poor man is sacrificed, because judicial judgments are now purchasable. Our laws are being tampered with. Even the judges have attested to it in several fora. Where are we going? When judiciary finally slumps into oblivion, then anarchy is closed. Glory to Jesus.
Hallelujah.
Why no white paper on all commission of inquiries?
In Nigeria, when there is a crisis, the federal government, the state will be quick to set up commission of inquiries. It will be given all the publicity needed, and thereafter, you may hear when they submit their report, and that ends it. You won't hear anything. The practice as of old, when a commission has done its work, then government will issue white paper, which is the decision of government from her findings. But today, we are in a state of topsy-turvydom. No white paper. And commission of inquiry are everywhere. Where are we going?